Hello everybody, my name's Stephen and I'm going to be your pilot for today. We're currently here at Winter Hill, which on the three boroughs of Chorley, Blackburn with Darwen and Bolton meet in the northwest of England. It's approximately 1,496 feet high or 456 metres. Its prominent position made it ideal for the Winter Hill TV mast, transmitting to a large part of northwest England. There's also a number of other telecommunication masts and towers around the summit and side of the hill for mobile phones, professional mobile radios and emergency services. Lancashire Constabulary was the first to use the site for one of their base stations in 1950. So that's been Winter Hill. I hope you enjoyed the views, and once again thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and also if you could consider subscribing to the channel, that really does help. Also, there's links down below to my Patreon, and you can buy me a coffee. Thanks once again, and I'll see you on the next one.